Solid Left Light ist in den Elementarien weiter geht direkt mit der nächsten Folge. Die wissen nach Lashke schon Safe Game verpeilt. Also Blackstone abgeholt und ich muss die halt 10 Schüsse leider schon gespielt. Und ich meine etwa zu weit nur links, das heißt mal noch. Ja, schon verpasst.
Show me the way. Aim a bit to the right.
Ah nee, ich muss das Ganze noch ein bisschen abholen.
Oh yes! Did you see that shit, Max? Duh. That was so fucking cool. Now for the second bottle. Now,
Das war nicht schlimm. Wenn die 10 heißt.
Hold the
So
trigger.
geil. So geil. So, hab ich da launcht. Okay, wir drehen zurück.
Now, Max, where do I aim?
Zu Dave geschossen und mir so muss rupziehen.
Aim slightly above. Right between the eyes. Watch out, Nathan.
Auch wenn ich den
Now
Sinn.
that is fun. Let's pump up the volume and find me another target. I want to get creative here.
Auch wenn ich den Sinn halt von der nicht
Give
ganz
me something to
verstehen.
shoot, Max.
Ne, da.
Let's take out this wheel rim on your left.
Taking out the wheel rim now.
How?
Hella yes!
Hello,
Nice
yes?
shooting, Tech.
Okay.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Satisfied?
Like, never? So I want one more uber cool trick shot.
How about using that junker for a target now?
Die Ep.2.
Dude, I need a target before I shoot.
Keine Ahnung. Scheiß den Bumper
Put a
auf.
real dent in that front bumper.
Goodbye, cruel bumper.
Oh shit!
Jesus, I shot myself!
What?
Ah, I shot myself! Back up! Back
Stupid
up!
gun! Hold on, Chloe.
Was die Gag?
Goodbye, cruel bumper.
Nee. Oh,
Dude, I need a target before I shoot.
mit Gas Tank.
Let's see what happens when you shoot the gas tank.
Step back, gas tank go, boom.
Und dann trifft er da immer. Oh, der brannte wirklich.
Boom!
Holy
Are definitely down,
mother of
but no
God.
bottle casualties. Feels good, but I didn't hit any of the bottles.
Hat wohl einen Trickshot gemacht für Flaschen zu. Oh, Freck. Das ist so kompliziert. Dann nehmen wir den Pneu weg.
How
Da
about
fällt's
aiming for
auch
the
auf.
left tire?
Adios, spinning wheel of death.
Yeah!
Uber cool.
Also blöd wäre es ja, weil mir
I
durch eine
cannot
Kugel
believe this
gestorben
is for
wäre.
reals. My best friend is a superhero. Now it's your turn to bust a cap.
I don't
Stupid.
know.
Max, your nose. Damn.
I don't feel so super.
Max!
Oh, mein Mann hat dekoniert. Man. Scheiße, Alter. Geht dir richtig los?
You freaked me out there. Do you feel any better now?
A little. Thanks for helping me. Just give me a minute.
Too much action for Arcadia?
Maybe not enough. This is kind of fun. Scary and stupid, but fun.
Let me know when you feel okay.
God, this power really messes with my head. Glad I feel normal again. I better go chat up Chloe.
Ja, das ist gut, dass da in einem kurzen Moment schwach fahren, also man der Reihe ist. Oh, ich flippe Polo rundherum. Wie schön. Da leidet er da wie Müllen.
Look at her. Chloe can even chill out playing with a gun.
Ja, fand ich krass.
Okay. Looks like you're ready to lock and load.
I don't know about this.
Are you afraid of getting in trouble? Oh, boo-hoo, Max is afraid. I know you can handle this, and I'm here to guide you. Make me proud, sister.
Hey, it's Thelma and Louise. Or is it Bonnie and Clyde?
Excuse us, Frank.
Piss
Oh,
off.
sorry, Chloe. Don't let me get in the way of your bonding. I heard the gunshots and the breaking glass. It's cute that you're playing with guns. Just like me at your age.
We're not anything alike, man.
We both need money. In fact, you need it so bad, you owe me a shitload, don't you, Chloe? Huh?
You'll get your money.
Don't they all say that? You know, even when they're broke and acting tough? What are you hiding there, girlie? Let me see.
Where did you get that bracelet?
A friend, and it's none of your goddamn business. You're my business now.
That's
and
Rachel's bracelet. Why the fuck are you wearing her bracelet?
Calm yourself, all right? It was a gift.
No, it wasn't. You stole that shit. Give it to me right now, asshole.
You better step back before you regret it, girl.
Ooh.
I mean it. You want me to cut you, bitch?
Please,
Nice acting.
please step back.
You're kidding. Put that down.
Ah, das war so mies, gell. Ich frage mich, ob ich, wenn ich Waschknaller soll, das nicht so eine Verbrecher, gell. Aber ich kann so nicht waschknüppeln, ey. Ich gehe ja gerne mehr. Dafür sie mir viel zu gute Charakter.
Come on, girlie. Shoot me.
Bang!
Ah, Christ. You're more like Abbott and Costello. Nice piece. I'll consider this interest on your loan. Thanks. You have until Friday to pay me, or I'll track you down with this interest. Have a good play, kids.
Das ist mir richtig an die Box gegangen.
You really stood your ground.
I freaked. I don't like guns.
It'll be hard to keep Nathan off my ass. My step-shit will have his other gun sealed in an electrified bunker by now.
Wahrscheinlich auch gerade so
Sorry,
gut.
Chloe. I've never held a gun on a human being before. Not cool.
I know, Max. Really. I'm actually relieved it worked out this way instead. And there are more guns out there. Let's blow. My secret lair didn't feel secret today. At least Frank is gone. He won't fuck with us again. He just wants his money.
Guns, guns, guns.
Oh,
Ooh
man.
la la.
Frank took Chloe's gun because of me.
Jo,
Wow, sir.
war das kein Wichtel?
Why did Frank have Rachel's bracelet?
Hallo.
We need to talk about this later, but
Hello,
I better
Frank.
follow Chloe now.
Ja, das wäre
Chloe's
gut.
waiting to go for a walk. We both need a time out from here.
Ja, komm, geh mal los. Aber nicht, die mal ich muss hier spontane Cut voll dazwischen gehen, weil die Sequenz so nur, die geht bis mir lang und das geht ganz volles für sich. Das heißt, improvisierten Outro, dann nur ein improvisierten Intro und dann geht es weiter. Für mich merci, Ciao, ciao.